here. The sun is rising above us, right there. That's pretty. Anyway, I'm a geek to all this. Let's find my partner over here.
So they move the stone over the hole, they dig a hole, stone down one side, they move the stone over the top. They might use a counterbalance possibly to help tip it in, and then they'd use, I think, possibly an A-frame. They build an A-frame out of logs, and then they'll use that to, with ropes, obviously, to pull the stone.
Discovery did a thing with Georgia Tech, and Georgia Tech set up a bunch of these. I watched it. It was amazing. But yeah, they duplicated the concept and proved that it could be done with that age. Just the mathematicians.
They actually did it last week.
Another time?
At a little place called Butser Ancient Farm, which is just down the road. They're an experimental archaeology place, and they did it for fun.
Yeah, exactly.
It's been done loads of times and been proven lots of times. But a good friend of mine actually built the mega trilithon in his field. There's a guy called Julian Richards, who's quite a famous archaeologist, and another guy called Tim Dorr. Tim Dorr's an experimental archaeologist, and they both built this using about 200 people, and they pulled a stone 100 metres first to see if that works, that theory works, and then they built that, and then they used a scaffolding method to get the lintel up there, and it takes 150 to 200 people to pull a sarsen stone. It takes 12 people to get that lintel up there.
Wow.
Only 12?
Only 12. Yeah. Yeah, amazing, yeah. And what they do is they lift up one end of the lintel, place logs underneath, lift up the other end, place logs underneath, and they keep doing that, and they'll cross the logs over to make it a stable platform. When it's at the right height, that's when they chisel out the mortise joints so they can line them up with the tenons, and then they tip it onto the top. That is, really. It took them 4 days. 4 days to stand it up and put the lintel on top.
Have they done any correlation with the Pictish people up in Scotland around the coast there with those big columns that are built up there that kept the Romans from coming?
Right, so that's a lot later.
That's later than from what this is.
Yeah. So the Romans invade Britain about 43 AD. So
43.
So a lot later.
Okay.
That's when we started learning how to read and write.
Well, wouldn't the Pictish, though, the people, I mean, these people maybe have migrated up there or been a part of the...
They would have been connected to each other. People are migrating from Scotland all the way down here every winter.
Right.
So, yeah, whether they were called Picts or Celts or whatever, we don't know, because there's no written history.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't say. They're just people.
Okay. I didn't. It just seemed like that we saw all that old stuff up there, and this is old stuff. This is older, of course, but it seemed like there ought to be.
I mean, there's stone circles. There's stone circles all over Britain. There's henges all over Britain. Not all henges have stone circles in. Not all henges have wooden circles in either.
Right.
So they do differ. Not all monuments are circles. Also, you go to Karnak in France; they're in straight lines.
Yeah.
So they all differ, but they are all over Britain, and they're all lining up to similar things, the solstices mainly. So it's one belief system, and the fact that people are migrating from all over Britain to here every winter to build this means there's a common belief system, a common language, and a hierarchy. Because somebody has to plan all this. It can't just be.
Put it in motion.
Yeah, exactly.
Complicated.